Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and gathering assets. You need a signed-in Google account and Gemini access enabled. Once done, collect reference photos, a desired resolution like 2048 x 2048, and a retro color palette. Make sure SDKs and libraries are installed, Gemini client, image processing tools, and authentication helpers so you can call the model. Start a new project folder and initialize credentials. This reduces friction later and lets you run reproducible prompts and edits immediately. Now you write the actionable prompt. Describe camera, era, grain, color grading, and lighting to convey retro. Mention exact details like 50 mm, warm tone, and light leaks. Preprocess the source. Crop, resize, denoise, and export a half-size test so iterations are fast. Then call Gemini with your image and prompt, setting parameters such as strength for edit blending, temperature for creativity, and iteration count. As you iterate, tweak terms and rerun to lock in the desired retro texture and colors. Finish by refining the output. Apply curves, selective sharpening, and add film grain around 2–4% for authenticity. Use subtle vignetting to focus the subject. Export the final at full resolution and keep a layered or versioned file so you can revert changes. If the image misses the mark, try one key troubleshooting step. Reduce the edit strength and simplify the prompt, or provide clearer reference images. This clarifies intent for the model and prevents overstylization or artifacts from appearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.